I have recently bought 100 pool noodles. And I did this super cool couch. But we've got leftovers, so let's make a bed.
This video is sponsored by Attitude.
Cut them in half. Now that we're full of all this half head, we have to find on what to attach it. So basically to create the frame, and we're gonna do that with wood. Measure your bed. You don't have to cut your wood. You can just go to the wood store and ask them for the size you want. My bed is 160 and I would just ask 2 slices 160, 2 slices of 2 meters. The scary part is finished, and now all we have to do is staple the fabric on the wood, squashing under it the noodle. First of all, cut it up the right size. Super important is to keep the fabric backwards, so the pretty side is not the one where we're starting. And we're gonna start from the back. So we're literally gonna just get it, fold it a little bit on top, and staple it. And now we turn it around. Get ready for a very repetitive job.
The next day.
And while you see me struggling pulling the fabric as straight as possible, that's a great moment to thank my Patreon subscribers. So thank you so much to Aston Thiam, to Kismet Sarkin, to my mom, to Azia, to Shalom, to Zari, and Layla. Already looking so good. We're gonna do the same exact thing also on this side, and remember to fold the folds inside. It's very important so that we can still see them from the other side. Let's go. Guys, I'm so happy. This looks beyond perfect. Like, I love it so much. We have to do the same exact...
Bruh.
We have to do the same exact things 3 more times, and I'm not gonna bore you with that, so magic. So here we are. We did many of them, but as you can see, I cheated on one. I did one that is completely flat, and that literally means that I just covered it with the fabric. There's not even foam on top. And this is gonna be for the back of the bed. I didn't want to add any volume on the part that we can't see anyway, so that I don't have to push the bed further. More space in the room. We are gonna use this super simple L shapes to connect them all together, but first we need to take them home. This is me from the future while I'm editing this video, and I can tell you that it's 1 week that we're sleeping with this bed sheets, and it's been incredible. I'm a very hard sleeper, so I can sleep anywhere, so my opinion doesn't really count. But my husband, he's so picky. And he has literally been telling me that he will never be able to sleep on any other kind of bed sheets from now on. So we need to order like a huge stock of this one. Okay guys, the bed is done and I cannot wait to show you. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe because I post new content every single Monday. Follow me on Instagram to see a bit of the behind the scene. And a huge thank you to the sponsor of this video, Attitude, because my bed is so soft.